soon waiting dey happen.
You know the guy water. There is no.
I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest, and to serve Nigeria with all my strength. Now so it's supposed to be. I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest, and to serve Nigeria with all my strength. Now so it's supposed to be. Citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, anywhere you dey for Nigeria and outside Nigeria, when there is life, there is hope. My name is Don General. Had that work, had that business, had that waka, had that appointment. Anywhere you dey, but I dey for Benin City, Edo State, South Nigeria. As I dey talk to you now, I dey for the Benin moat. I dey for the Benin moat. Now the matter be say Edo State government don talk am now say every Saturday na be environmental sanitation, because the way Edo State now, especially the Benin City, the way dirty come take full everywhere now. Government of Obaseki say they can't take this again. Say they don't tire. That's why they don't talk and say every Saturday na environmental. Now another one that will come now and say, in fact, every day now make they clean, but I don't dey investigate some kind matter. People now don't they complain say the people were supposed to call they carry their dirty where they call waste managers. Say some of them not they come. While some of the masses they talk say from time to time, if they pack dirty come out for gutter or for their backyard, they know they see people where will come pack them. But we they investigate all this matter. But I did the moat and see the moat. Why I come here be say water supposed to they flow pass here. This motor so it come. Now you go see say it don't block here. And they talk this thing now so that make the Ministry of Environment now. But you go they wonder where I dey, which area I dey. If you enter Lagos Street, it get where you go come. If you enter Lagos Street, you go see where the moat dey now. Now the moat dey so. So people now this moat they pack dirty, see tire, they shit. Water now was supposed to they flow. You see the water supposed to they flow. It don't block. But tunnel supposed to there where go make something they pass there. But when they investigate this place, say the way this place be, Edo State government, Ministry of Environment, got a block. Moat go still block, but the moat don't block. Many people now moat they throw away their dirty, their shit water and different things. But when they investigate all this matter, say all these things not good. All these things they cause sickness. They cause Lassa. Hi! Our heritage moat not be like this. Who go just come they block our moat like this? But when they investigate all this matter, that's why I want to ask citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria now, especially those of them where they are those states, that dirty for your area who they pack them. Waste managers they come pack them. Who supposed pack them? Even when the masses pack dirty come out from their gutter or their backyard, the people who supposed to come carry the dirty, they know they quick come carry the dirty. This is my work, That's why they call myself area journalist, because they enter area to area, apia to apia. It gets a kind area where some journalists don't go fit enter, but me I they enter them. I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest, and to serve Nigeria with all my strength. Now so it's supposed to be. This now the Benin moat. When the masses they don't block, they don't use dirty and different things block them. That's why I say the Ministry of Environment now need to ginger. But you self your dirty they pack them. That's your dirty they pack them. The waste managers they come pack the dirty. I can clean my face. The waste manager they come pack the dirty, and you they clean your environment.
Soon waiting dey happen.
You know the guy water. There is no light.
But they come they pack on a dirty.
Yes. As government talk and say me we dey clean our environment every Saturday. We like it like that. We dey comply. If you watch our side now, no dirty. Dirty no dey. No dirty now. If you look at everywhere clean.
Say gutter now.
We don't reckon this money.
This gutter.
The problem when they now the gutter make government make the bring motor for us. May we dig the gutter, the poto make the pack for us.
That na another problem make the way Minister of Environment. Many citizens go pack sand or dirty with their gutter, but they know they see people where they come pack them. But
the problem.
Why this water no dey flow now? Na block am for front. I be waiting.
Why the water did not dey flow? Be say e get where e block for ring road side there. they block the gutter.
Like how
Musalasi.
much you they pay every month for dirty?
Every month before the man when our waste manager here, the man they finish us. We declare so we don't crack go waste management. Go waste management board. 500 naira. Now we they pay. Per shop, yes. But the man just come from nowhere. He put up for 1.5.
Per shop.
Per shop. In fact, we dey die here. Now we cry go Ministry of Environment. They say we write letter. We don't write all our letter. Those one can't give our waste manager directive say make you put am for 1,000 naira.
They pack the dirty.
They pack am.
Okay.
Hey, Bosunu, oh yeah,
How your body?
You're fine.
When there is life, there is hope.
There is hope.
Now, those state government say, let's clean up the state.
We are ready
Let's clean up our environment.
We are ready to clean because it's our own state.
Yes.
We are the owner of the state. We are the citizen.
Okay.
Very good.
Then they can't carry your dirty for your
They
shop.
can't carry. They are trying now. Formally, they are not doing better, but today they are trying because we face them too. So we cannot be paying that they are not carrying our dirty.
So like how much your own store they pay now?
We are paying 1,500, but formally, Oshomole government was 500 naira. But today they are trying to put it in 1,500 per person. You can imagine that amount.
It's too big?
It's too big for us. It's too big. Per shop, it's too big. That is what we are after now. It's too big. Per person, it's 1,500.
Okay, another matter where we say don't they go on. We don't see I'm saying so many stores for Edo State here, especially where business they go on. That they complain say the money where the waste managers that they bring say to all this gutter, and I know they clean them. All this gutter, and I know they clean them.
Seriously.
No, this gutter, and I know they pack this gutter.
Wait, might tell you.
Talk to me.
We dey pack the gutter. People always say dirty, we say they come for environment. Every night there we always clean it. People that at times people
I
that
know
don't
they
come
hear
out.
English. I better speak pidgin
People,
English.
hey, let's say now waiting.
English don't block one
I
side
don't
of my
see am,
brain.
I don't see am.
All this dirty one, I know they pack am
We
now.
dey pack them. Wetin dey happen say most at times na people wey say call this hawk around. We dey sweep wey say call the hawk around here. Street traders. By the time we dey pursue them before you know na they carry the thing that the thing dey carry come wey dey smell here. Na call the put inside
Okay, today na Monday now. On Saturday na environmental. Una no use shovel pack all this sasa come out.
we pack.
Down with that number. We dey do am every day. Now we dey do environmental for this Lagos street every day. No be once in a week, no be twice in a week, every day.
Your dirty where you dey gather, where you dey pack and put.
We dey pack and put for this
Waste managers.
yes, waste managers. Like there we dey pack and put.
But
Yes.
see your, no be your front be this.
No be my front. My front dey clean. Na just
See am now, no see.
just na breeze carry and put.
Now just a breeze carry and put.
Yes, na just na breeze carry and put.
Like how much you dey pay for waste dirty every month? Like how much?
1,000.
1,000.
1,005.
1,005 for each store.
Yes, for each.
Something dey happen o. I greet you now. Not be smart thing o. Hey. Hey. But in case you dey come dey wonder wetin dey happen now, because say Edo State government now don talk am say environmental sanitation na every Saturday, but we don see am say some people no dey clean their store, some people no dey clean their house, some people no even dey pack the gutter wey dey their front. But government now don enter into action now. That's why dey with this public pull off now. Dem now dey carry microphone dey sensitize people say as e go be now every day now na environmental, but Edo State government say na every Saturday. But how you see the environmental? Many people get complaints. Some people say the people wey dey come dey pack their dirty say the money wey dey charge too much. That na one. Two, the people still dey talk say once they pack their dirty come out from the gutter, they no dey quick dey see the people wey dey come dey pack am. Another matter wey because still dey go on be say if you be say waste manager dey come dey carry your dirty, anything wey dey call waste manager dey come carry your dirty. If the waste manager no dey quick come carry your dirty, sharparly let us know or let proof of know, but I dey investigate the matter. Okay, something dey happen now. Out of your place, why you not clear this gutter? Talk to me. Talk to me. How now?
I'm fine.
This gutter where they on Saturday leave the mic. This on Saturday na environmental. I'm not clean this place.
Frankly speaking, everybody wey dey this Benin, especially traders, they want make Benin neat. But problem wey we get na government. Na politics they take dirty they play for Benin. They dirty they play politics. This gutter wey you see now, you clean am, you no clean am. This gutter go ring road, na government block am there. They block am, they now wan open am. We just take am, they chop our money, say clean gutter. How person go fit take clean gutter? We no get where the water go pass. They go say clean gutter. 2 weeks ago we clean the gutter. You no get where water go pass. They just block am for ring road. Take us dey do politics, say clean am. because their own be say for Nigeria be say if the same person go make sure say people no put dirty for road, that person no go happy to see and say they don clean am. Even ready to hide dirty if they don clean am, go come pour am so that he go see something take chop money.
But when una pack this dirty come out, people they call the pack am.
For where who they pack?
No,
See am oga. If you pack sand come out for gutter, they no pack. If rain fall, you go enter gutter again.
Wetin cause am?
Here dey na we pay money to clear this gutter 2 weeks ago. We pay level to Hausa people to clear this gutter. We clear am and they didn't come to pack the sand.
Waste managers not come
They
back.
didn't come. When rain fall 2 times, the whole sand came back again.
Osunu, waiting they happen.
We don't get water. There is no light.
When we help ourselves, government will help us. Ask me why.
Why?
After cleaning this gutter, the government supposed to bring motor and come and pack all this thing. Sometimes we go dig the gutter, the sand, they come out. When they fall, you come inside again. What's the need? The government supposed to bring it before, then they bring a tipper to come and carry all the sand. But the government failed to do that. Is it democracy?
That's why we want make our governor know now and the Minister of Environment. The masses they talk say yes, they do their own work to pack all the dirty and sasakama for the gutter, but to come pack am.
Yeah, this nice water.
And they investigate them and they investigate them. But that you they pay for dirty, they can't carry your dirty.
Yes.
Like how much?
This is 30 Lagos City. And I'm talking another thing. Every time, I don't know why they are always coming here for this very 30 Lagos City.
Not bank?
It's not bank. Is it? Do we have the same equal right with the other houses? They're treating us like say.
I understand. What did they tell to the top? Say it gets some people who get stuff for this Benin, then they pay 15,000 naira for dirty. Why some they pay 10, some they pay 5, some they pay 3. But like Lagos Street now, some they pay 1K, some they pay 1.5. But who's supposed to pack this dirty? I go.
Osunu, waiting they happen.
We don't get water.
No wetin come make you come out with your members now. They carry megaphone. They announce you na pastor now. Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen?
Wetin make us come out? We don look and say e good make we educate our people. E good make we tell our people the truth. We wan tell our people so make dem no wait for government to carry stick or to shout say clean your house, because the house wey government say make you clean so na your own. Na you dey stay inside. The shop wey dem say clean so na your own. Now you dey stay inside. Because if you look and say epidemic don full everywhere, disease dey everywhere. And you know say most of us get small children. Small pikin no know wetin be germs, e no know wetin be worm. As e reach there, e go put hand. So now we dey talk and say those days when we dey grow up, our parents e get one clay wey dey call awewu, they call am kitchen. Na taboo to make fire if you never clean that kitchen. Na taboo to cook for any house wey never sweep. But now wetin dey happen to those morals? Na those things we bring come say before you comot for your house. If you even see government now every Saturday, no say stay for inside house, you must stay. He say you fit waka o, but clean your house before you comot for your house. Clean am make am fine. Visitors fit dey come as dey pass say these people dey be agbinwe o. Na those kind things we dey tell our people. Say Benin, Edo people no be agbinwe people. People wey dey live for Edo no be agbinwe people. People wey dey do business for Edo no be agbinwe people. We be beautiful people.
But the masses they complain. I say against people no dey come pack this dirty o.
Listen now. Wait, make I finish. By the time you clean your house, you clean your shop, you pack am for inside bag, you tie am, you keep am. Then we don talk and say make everybody key into accredited waste managers. That's the ones where government give license to pack dirty, so that by the time you pay your dues, they no come carry your dirty. If you can't report them, we no go find it difficult to find them. Query them, say why you never pack this dirty. We no go find it difficult to call them or to catch them. Say so and so area you never carry dirty. Now make government say go register with waste manager where we fee cash if he not give you services. Then they call accredited waste manager.
So if I stay down now, if I stay down, we go inside now.
Yes.
And the waste manager not come pack my dirty.
Okay, now you dey stay for Lagos Express Road. You dey pay waste manager. You not gonna carry your dirty. I beg, carry yourself. Come report the waste manager. carry your receipt wey you take dey pay your bill carry am come the waste manager come report am you see this government don talk am say dem no go beat yam for corn dem no go beat corn for yam this government dey on the side of the masses to protect but masses do your own quarter.
But you go agree with me say the waste managers so they get their own problem.
Now we dey talk now say if you no report person or complain person government na magician huh? How you wan take come your house come know say you never pack your dirty for Lagos Express Road.
Okay abeg who supposed to dey pack the dirty for gutter.
Okay
because some people say na the local government. Okay
now listen you get dey call litres pure water sachet e dey front of your shop rake am come out. You rake am come out now you deceit your drain government will come pack am now wetin we dey talk now say we no say carry your dirty go put am for dump site or carry your dirty go throw am make am available for government to carry you sweep first wetin we dey do now na say make we sweep first make we gather am we dey monitor we sef go still monitor the waste managers wey collect money.
But wetin concern you for this one.
You never finish.
I know I gotta go wetin concern because all these people now supposed to dey check people toilet for backyard many toilet don full now many toilet don full pit toilet don full na no dey check am.
Yes oga
wetin una dey work wetin people na work really.
Our work now we dey under waste management board so we dey go from house to house now we dey call routine inspection daily inspection so we dey go from house to house to see people because the law now is we no want public toilet this public toilet again we no want pit toilet for anywhere again wetin government want na water system so that yes you dig your sock away yes so that you fit dey flush am yes even though say na poor flush but that pit toilet government say no want am that is why from that our daily routine we dey serve notices to everybody especially those wey be say get that pit toilet we go serve dem notice when we serve dem notice that notice not to invite dem come court o we go first of all invite dem come office oga why be say you get this pit toilet you understand.
No, sister wait you say make we no dey get pit toilet for our backyard again.
No
I no fit dey like this again.
No government
water no dey now water dey. Talk for them because this matter pit toilet.
May I tell you the hazard of pit toilet.
Pit latrine.
Yes.
You see I say toilet wey shit don many e dey produce flame that wey dey call gas and that heat wey dey come out is toxic na poison so as you spread your yansh on top that gas wey dey come don enter your body all the disease wey dey inside the toilet e don enter your body.
If the toilet full suppose pack am.
Your pit toilet for your house is full. Government will come back out for you. Don general, careful.
Wetin concern your head? Say that this matter now, you don't say they don dey waka. Most traders now don dey come.
How you concern me for the matter be say na better thing the government carry come to pack your dirty. But most importantly be say the waste managers wey be say they give assignment or contract to pack all this dirty. They need to dey do their work. If you dey go and do our now, you see and say some people they use roadside till they do dump side. You understand? Not be just traders they put those dirty there. Some people say they carry dirty from house come. So dirty not good generally for our land. So since the government now say okay, now Operation Clean Edo State make everybody take as a duty, begin to clean a shop, clean a house. But the waste manager may they do their work. So anyone will be say they not do their work, may they revoke their license. As I talk to you now, so many waste managers they collect money from different markets. They know they come pack the dirty. So now traders don't pay. The one way they shop don't pay. The one way they sell market don't pay. But to come carry the
now some people they point and say that these people, some they point and say that people. Make we go tell everybody. Say as you come in the morning, clean your environment. Cleanliness they say is next to godliness. 2, those may they warn their people, those who not get toilets, make they know so that they shit for gutter, so that they go know who they home. May they stop. If they catch anybody, no cause civil society, we go not there for that one. Edo must be clean. Edo must smell clean. Edo must look good, so that when visitors they pass Edo, they go say Edo clean. Before they give example with Calabar, when they begin use Edo, they give example. Okay, it's possible.
Are you aware that the masses, according to investigation, according to investigation, say the waste managers and government do not they come to their own work to pack the dirty in time?
Yes, now we bring the matter of the challenges this environmental waste and disposals. Now I happy say this pool of committee don't agree with us. Say they will set up a desk a desk be say they go set up an office when people go dey complain. Phone number go dey, contact person go dey. Civil society will already provide person wey go dey report there every day. They find out so that if they carry dirty, not gonna carry out dirty, report to the desk. The law, Edo State environmental law, talk and say those persons will prosecute them too. We will take them to court to go seize their license.
What of the one where government supposed to come carry? If government not come carry,
no. See, actually, what you will not know is the government itself. No, they carry the now waste managers. Then they give the contract to carry them. So if they not carry them, now the waste managers not carry them. So the desk, they will create the desk, will make the number available because we see they work on them. Now today we start so the number will be available so that everybody will get the number. If you pay for the tea, they're not gonna carry your dirty. Report to that office.
So for all this our dirty, where would they heap for one place? Suppose get one machine where go they grind them, light go they come out from another one, pure water go they come out. Me afaro. Well, I did for outside quarters for Lagos Street and it's better.
I'm very supporting all this type of thing.
You support them?
I'm very supportive because it's those bin can make a person contest those disease.
Okay, but another thing where we go back government again. Before we go, yes, the government go bring a waste bin where they go to share some kind big truck. What we say they go put for here, put them for different places. Everybody go just they go pack and I mean, you know this thing where they talk so you know.
Yes. You know, say government on their own need to play their own part.
Yes.
If you see now, the traders don't sweep finish. They need waste bin to put them. Not be to make public enlightenment. All the materials where they say they put it dirty so that they'll go they recycle them, turn out to wet, make they put them on ground. I tell you just now say for Pobai market, a tire that they put dirty. For Adua market, even some street for San Benin, now ground that they put them. So all those strategic position, make government go put waste bin for that place because government really need to put waste bin there so that this announcement whether they do so it will work well.
I say that it's not good to put dirty in the gutter because sanitation is the best. Because they say cleanliness is next to godliness. So we're supposed to clean our environment so we don't see all this insect that comes to bite us in the neck. You don't see that many people we have diseases like malaria and all of that disease. But if we clean our environment, we won't contact this kind of we won't contact all these diseases that we see. People in Benin City and Nigeria should not be pouring dirty in the gutter because if you pour the dirty in the gutter, erosion will be everywhere when we fall, and mosquito will be coming out from the place and causing malaria.
What do you have to say?
And also those when dirty is in our home, when rain fall and there is erosion, the thing will block the gutter so that the water will not flow well. And you see that in most community that their water entering people's houses because of the dirty that they are put.
Government will put gutter. There will be the border will be putting dirty. Look at gutter that Governor Obaseki can put. Look at gutter everywhere. I'll be putting on people that are in their area because if rain fall now, water will flow there and it will not flow.
Inside the water. They'll put that inside the gutter. And the water will not flow.
What class are you again?
Yes, one.
Shout Wasunu.
Osunu, waiting they happen.
Every day we dey look at this place. Look this dirty. You go see and say as we come out and so. The rain fall and go wash am. Somebody come here this morning come tell us say 11 o'clock there will be truck come go to evacuate am. We go wait for them, we no go see them.
You mean say na pack that
now so we dey do am. Rain go carry am enter. They will dey pay 115 per shop for dirty. We no go see them. My Franklin na dey give that this thing. Now we dey pay 1,500, 1,000. We no even know the one we dey again. There's someone come say they carry dirty now to rock water. So impossible.
We dey investigate the matter. Come on, go see this dirty. But the truth of the matter be say cleanliness is nearest to something dey happen. Now, you see say we dey talk something just now. You see these people wey dey this side now they pack this dirty come out. Very fine, very beautiful. But the problem is that government and Ministry of Environment, after these people now don't pack this dirty come out, who want to pack them? Now President Buhari want to pack am. Now Becky want to pack am. Now me want to pack am. Now this way Gusto want to pack am. Ministry of Environment and pack am. Now the masses don't pack and come out. They don't play their part. As they don't play their part now, government supposed to pack am. In fact, it's not supposed to take more than 25 or 2 hours. We are investigating the matter.
We pack and come
this morning.
This morning.
That's very good.
So we don't do an and make them come carry on how we do.
Make them come park and now we dey now we don't park and come
Before
out.
I can say we now take Paris 13 early morning this morning.
Now because say na yesterday they want to check that's why na park. No. Na so we dey do am before.
Very, very good.
Na so we dey do am before.
You understand?
Na so we dey do am before. They no dey come before.
We don't pack. We don't
Every time na so we dey do am. Every time.
Back and now, make them come back and now. We dey wait for them.
You see this dirty matter now, it don't get as it be. Dirty matter don't get as it be. But I dey investigate them. When people pack dirty come out, government suppose ginger sharply to pack the dirty. I be not be so. Okay, when the dirty, why you not pack dirty this morning now?
You don't see the work where we dey do? We don't try. If you see work where we dey do here, you tell them make them come carry am now. Hey, say rain come still fall. The thing go see enter inside here. Make them come carry am. But soon,
something dey happen. Hey, okay, when you're dirty, you not pack and come out. How you say that this dirty you pack come out for this color?
See this one.
But what will be the problem concerning this dirty? What will be the problem when you observe?
They're not the carrier.
They no dey carry am.
They no dey carry the dirty. And Hausa people now they shit put they pour all the dirty. Every Friday if you look at now, all this one are pure water. Pure water
No
shit.
be your store they put am here.
No, for that side. You know say here na gutter now. Every Friday now you come. After the prayer, cellophane go full everywhere. E good?
Osunu, waiting they happen.
You know they get water. There is no light.
Governor, when we vote for now, when we use our life to vote for, say we not rich. The small work where we get to college. Now everybody go school.
No.
Is everybody as a graduate?
No.
Why will our government be treating us that way?
But they don't tell you for una now. See
the road one chop. They're tired that they're hungry. They're tired that they're hungry. They're tired that they're hungry.
I don't have one chance here. I don't have one chance here.
They're tired that they're hungry.
Thank you. What are you eating, Muge?
Zamuge, do you want to eat?
Yeah, give me my own now. Okay, it's okay.
Oh, you can take it.
No. How much did you buy this, Muge?
It's 20 naira.
20 naira? 20 naira? Okay. I'm giving you 100 naira now. 20. That is 100 naira. Shout Osunu. Something dey happen.
Nigeria save our boy.
Osunu, waiting they happen.
You know they get water.